Welcome to our 100 km long-range communication test, showcasing the robust performance of our airborne Datalink system in a real-world beyond visual line of sight scenario. In this demonstration, we flew the aircraft over a distance of 100 km while maintaining continuous telemetry and live HD video streaming throughout the entire mission.
The ground segment consisted of an automated tracking antenna, RF transceiver, and a laptop-based control station. The airborne segment, located on board the aircraft, included a video camera, the AIRLink flight control system, and a laptop. The aircraft flew past the ground station to initiate the test, marking the start of the mission and measurement of key communication parameters. This is the HD video feed recorded on the ground control station laptop. This is the data rate monitoring utility, demonstrating the stability of the connection.
Playback speed increased by 20 times.
Telemetry connection remained stable as well throughout the entire flight. Thanks for watching and feel free to learn more at Skydrone's website.